What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a NBS Sierra. We're gonna be doing a weld-on sunroof on this one. This one's been waiting in line also. It just got painted, got the interior done. We're gonna try to save the headliner, and I'll show you here in a little bit what I'm talking about. But the customer wants to save the headliner as it is. He got it done down in Mexico. So I'm gonna try my best to work that headliner, since it's custom stitched and all that, to form it to fit the Impala sunroof. So that's where we're at right now. We're gonna get everything disassembled on the headliner for now, and then we'll start our measurements as usual. The install will be as usual. Just the headliner is what I'm worried about. He wants me to try my best to save it because he doesn't want to get it redone, especially here in Albuquerque. They charge a lot, and then he's not to take a trip down to Mexico again to get it redone. So we're gonna try our best to help to hold me up, Marcelino, and see if we can go from there. All right, guys, here's the truck. Nice GMC Sierra. Badass. I love this color. This color's badass. Kind of looks like a candy. Bad. Just need some chrome. I would go with some chrome wheels. And this is what I'm talking about. It's been custom installed. The doors, seats, and the headliner. This is what I'm gonna try my best to save. I told him I'm gonna give it a shot. I've done some before, but not on a single cab. The 4 doors, I've done it on a 4-door. It's a little bit easier. You got more material to work with, and especially you don't have this bump back here. Usually the sunroof is on the front, so it's just mainly flat. It's mainly flat, so you can work with a flat surface, but when it has this little contour here, you got to make it work with the sunroof. So we're gonna give it a shot, guys. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, we got the hole cut out. We got the bracket installed, welded in. Time for some fiberglass up on top. As you can see, nice and clean. Put the fiberglass on it, let it cure. It is windy. Hopefully it cures it quick with the sun. We can start the body work, get that done, install the sunroof, and then from there we'll be done with the top. Install our drain hoses, power it up, and then go with the headliner. Alright, guys, alright, guys, we got the sunroof installed, powered up, wired up. I did put the 2 drains in the back. I just need to put the 2 in the front, and then do the headliner is next. That's gonna be the hardest part, just because customer wants to save the original headliner. There she is. Body work for that. Looking badass. I just need to wipe it down a little bit, get the headliner in here, start trimming it, and go from there. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys, it got dark on me. I had to finish it the next day. That headliner was a bitch. Probably one of the hardest headliners I've have done, just because it was already custom stitched in with foam padding. So I had to cut a lot of that out so I can bend and fold against the sunroof. I think it came out badass. You guys could tell me.